Assist officer, shots fired. Code 3, officer down. Yeah, we got a guy with a long rifle. We don't know where the hell he's at. Under garage.
Hello and welcome to my channel. It's my first video and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Sirens for GTA 5 or FiveM. I personally use them for FiveM. Right, so we're not even going to waste any time. We're getting straight into it. So, what you're going to need, you're going to need archive fix. You're going to need a modded siren pack, or whatever siren you want. And then you're going to need OpenIV. So we're going to open up Grand Theft Auto 5 in OpenIV. Alright, once OpenIV is open, just put that there. And put it down. So, now what you want to do is open up modded siren pack. Okay, what I need you to do is make a copy of vehicles and vehicles.oac. So vehicles and copy, paste. So now you should have these two files here. Alright, then you're gonna select the siren that you want. So alright, so I've chosen my siren. I'm going for the Tomar 940. Alright, so we're just gonna make a copy of these files and we're gonna go into our vehicles folder. And we're going to do right click and paste and click replace files in destination. And you're going to close down this, and you're going to close down that, or minimize it or whatever, and you're going to go get your OpenIV. Then you're going to go to X64, which you can turn edit mode on first, that'll help. You're going to go to audio, SFX, resident.rpf, and you're going to drag your vehicles.oac into here and let it do its thing. Once it's done its thing, you're gonna go back, grab your resident.rpf, drag it to your desktop. Now you're gonna open up your folder with archive fix in. You're gonna drag your resident.rpf over the archive fix.exe, and you're gonna wait for it to be done. And you can close it down. Once that's done, you can open up your folder again, just drag your resident.rpf into the folder. And you're done, you should have your sirens. I'll get back to you once we're in game and I'll show them off to you. So basically now we're in game, get our vehicle loaded in, turn the lights on, turn the sirens on. But, yeah, that was it for this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn notifications for my next tutorial on GTA 5/5M modding. But anyway, that's been me. It's been Rocco. You have a nice one. See ya.